Video Traffic Genie is our brand new software that allows you to legally steal other people's video traffic and generate affiliate commissions in 24 hours or less. Video Traffic Genie 2.0 Review. Unique features of Video Traffic Genie 2.0. Some features of Video Traffic Genie 2.0. Keywords and hotspots are not limited. With this feature, you can search for keywords, videos and niches you want to take without limitation. Domain checker with one click of a button. This software has built-in domain checker for you. With one click, you can see if this domain is capable of attacking. Controls the age of the video. You can search for videos based on how long they've been uploaded by the author. Sort by view level or relevance. You not only have many videos you want, but you can also control the video on the viewer-related level. Easily export data in CSV and text files. You can easily download any file to your computer and organize it easily and quickly. Works on devices. It works on both PC, Mac and mobile software smoothly. Access to personal Facebook group. Here, you can access the personal Facebook they offer. Here, they will share the experience of the honest one for you. Advantages and disadvantages. Pros. Work in any niche. Have detailed video tutorials. User-friendly. No complicated skill requirements. Redirect traffic flow quickly. 100% refund policy. Cons. Need a little bit time to read how to use VTG2 in best ways and watch 2 software training videos at the beginning, but as I state in my review, it's not difficult as you